Hi, welcome to the July Craft and Chat series cards. So if you purchase the kit, I'm going to show you the kit or the digital package. I'm going to show you how to put together all of your supplies to make this card. So you're going to have your vellum pieces. This is botanical something, the vellum. It was the product of the month in May, I think. Just a regular piece of vellum sentiment, which you can, this is from the Mix and Match Greetings for All. A2 size card base, cut at 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. We're gonna go that way. This is a piece of basic white, cut a 1/4 inch smaller, so 5 1/4 by 4, and then I've embossed it with the seafoam spray, no, floral spray embossing folder. So this card's a pretty simple one to put together, and the design is intended to where you can mix and match. So it's a good template design in that you can swap out the embossing folder, swap out the squares, which are 1 1/2 by 1 1/2, and yeah, you can get all sorts of different sort of combinations. So you can put these on an angle. So you're gonna do 4 on the top and then 4 on the bottom. So what you can do is kind of alternate. So you could leave it like this, which is kind of alternating, or you could get fancy and you can layer, layer your squares to give more, to give a bit of a different look. So once you have your squares kind of where you want them, where you're happy with them, you can take a piece of tape, or I'm going to use Post-it note tape. I just got this from Amazon. So when you're happy with where it is, which I am not, I want these more on an angle here. Flip that one, whoops. Okay, so once you're happy with that, you're going to take your piece of Post-it note tape and you're just going to go right over it. It's not grabbing this one, but that's okay. So then you're gonna flip this over. That guy's gonna go there. So we're gonna add a bit of glue. So with vellum, typically your adhesive of choice will shine through. So just be mindful of that. We are going to strategically place our dimensionals. So I'm kind of clustering them here to the middle. You could use wet glue as well, but clustering in a sense for 2 reasons. One is because as a cluster, when I put my second piece of vellum over, it's going to cover it and help cover the backing of the dimensionals like this. In the middle, and then with the Post-it note tape, it just pulls up really nice and easy. So now save that. You're going to inspect. So that guy's not stuck down, so we're just going to add a bit of glue here. And I might actually just put a little dimensional. If you have the minis, you could cut a small piece from a regular. And I'm gonna put this under here. Everybody else is stuck down, it's good. So then what we're gonna do is take this piece of vellum and that's gonna cover here. So depending on the size of your sentiment, I'm going to put a strip of glue right across the middle of this vellum, and then I'm gonna pop up my sentiment, knowing that the glue is, see how you can see that glue in there? this is gonna cover that perfectly. So we're gonna use minis again. Whoops. And then we'll add our ribbon. Okay. Okay. Just using the grid to line that up. So like that. And then we're just gonna make a simple bow with the ribbon. Any ribbon. If you don't have pink, like you've got a whole bunch of different colors. So this fresh freesia is the purpley color, but the soft pink works nicely with it, with this color palette. So there's our bow, and then I just adjust the loops, kind of how big we want it. Like that. It's good. And then chop those, and we'll get a little glue dot. Roll it, put it there, and that's gonna tuck right there. Now, if you had a piece of glue that was kind of shining through the vellum, you could adjust the bow if you wish, so that it covers it. And so I'm gonna do a little bit of surgery in that some of these are kind of saggy, and I want them to be popped up a bit. So I'm putting the dimensional underneath a dark part of the vellum. See how that makes it pop up nicer? I think I'm good with those. Maybe a little bit for you. I can sort of adjust. Yeah, I love it. All right, there's the first one. Hope you enjoyed it. Got some tips. On to the next one.